How to cancel Spotify Premium 2022. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to How to Solution. And today in the video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel the premium account of Spotify on your phone. So first of all, you're not able to cancel the premiumship in the Spotify application. You're not able to cancel the premium membership in the mobile app. So go into the browser and open the Spotify website and make sure that you've been logged in into your account. After that, tap on the upper right corner. Now tap to the profile, go into the view accounts. Now tap here, account overview. Now select the available plan. So here you can see the premium account, the premium Spotify family you've got so far. If you scroll down, you are able to see the section where it says cancel premiumship. So if you tap here, you can cancel the premium account of Spotify. So that is it in this video. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and if you have any question, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So guys, I'll catch you up later in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself. Have a good one.